Melly.
Merry Christmas. Look at mom. Look at mom. Merry Christmas.
Fat mama.
She too busy. Look at it.
Fat mama.
Melly.
Hey y'all.
You gonna take one?
Parade.
Hey. You picked up real face. It still ain't moving from her face.
My bitch bad as fuck. 10 mm, she black as fuck. Smoking on onion, that's cash. I'm licking this stick and I'm red and I'm good.
You see yourself? The lady walking my video. I was trying to show y'all the parade. Where we was at. So y'all, the lady looked at me. I didn't know she's actually like.
Bro, I think she was listening. She got the what's the thing called?
She got some dog ears.
Yeah. So we kind of said that she was so saying. There the parade started at 5.
The parade started at 5, y'all. Who playing music? Me or you?
Me how?
It is 4:40.
But you.
We're gonna come back when
The parade
the
started.
parade's going.
Which one? What's she at? Which one? Which one you talking about? She right here in the front. You saw her mom's bringing her today.
Well, yesterday.
Say thank you. Go get it. Say thank you. What you gonna wrap it? What they? Go get it. Go get it. Yeah, I mean, look at the people. Look at them. Ain't nobody got no fish like that. They turned. Look at Snowman. What is it? Kyla, they got some food? They got one right there. Go get that, Kyla. Go get one. Go get that one. It's one right there. Girl, go get it now. Go run out there and get it. So thank you. Now he's still not want to get your kid. I got the numb on there. It's hard to be waving, guys. I should got their gloves.
With your face no.
You hear me? I should bought their gloves. What's this say? Jump! You forgot who? You ready to say one? They going. We got the steel way too, Kayla. Everybody got knocked out.
Me and son about to fight.
Shadow, why you throwing your cat at like that though?
Me and son about to fight.
Nah, we still got the way getaway, Kayla.
Cheese and rice. Hey,
Who got half? I got a small one.
She got a small one.
It's a small and small in the hole.
I don't know what size. She got the small one.
Is that the large? That's her.
can I get some plastic everywhere?
I don't know what. Kelly, you ordered the large one?
You want me to get to my goddamn house and tell her she got the flu? I just missed my sister yesterday. I told her, I said, Lord,
What is it?
Okay, so then. Oh, he over there.
sit down before you fall. Kel, what you get them to eat? Just some fries?
Yeah. Look, my kids pick it. They get it from me. I need a plastic. I need a plastic fork.
It's so quiet.
Oh, okay.
Why my nephew so quiet?
He lonely.
I see, look at you. See?
They got seeds on them shrimp.
They don't do no take the rip.
The shrimp.
You can eat.
They got ants in their pants.
Especially Ken. You can do your like that. I used to make the wood fire. It's like you so much shit before they go.
There she goes.
Kick! Yeah!
Girl.
And y'all like saying that.
Who needs a tortilla?
Jazz and Jada.
Is it on your shirt? Mom. I know.
Yep, something you don't eat.
Mom.
Something
Can you
you
put some
don't
fries in there for Ken? Until they bring hers. We don't gotta put that much.
Y'all don't eat rice?
No, me and Ken don't eat rice.
Why not? Y'all don't eat rice. They don't eat rice. I definitely eat rice.
They talking about Maggie. Maggie, yeah.
It looks like
I'm scared of that.
Let's shop.
Thank you. I be trying to get them to eat something else instead of fries.
Look at me. They would have been eating a lot of food if your grandma was eating.
Right.
cut some carrots like French fries. They might do it. Cut some carrots like some fries. They might eat them. French fries.
It was spaghetti every Sunday, every Monday.
I said she had a list
Tacos
what she
every
be making.
Tuesday.
Every Tuesday.
I forgot what she used to do on Wednesday.
Was it network or something like
I
that?
think so.
Meatloaf. I think it was meatloaf. No, because Monday used to alternate between spaghetti and meatloaf.
We don't do meatloaf.
Why? No. She
That's why I
said,
just said I used to do that.
she said I messed my stomach up.
At the 85 South show at the She went there. I said, Jim, I gotta go. Them folks coming down. You got them folks said.
That's all you need. Ain't nothing. Remember when y'all came to St. Louis? What was the name of the hotel? We went to a hotel. We went to the hotel.
It definitely is.
I was just telling Charlotte that I haven't. I was just telling Charlotte I haven't been to the Waffle House and y'all came up there for my
Y'all want to open up all my stuff.
We got some cat.
Oh, she got you a two-piece. Girl, cherry lime. Get in. I know cherry.
That's cute. I would have needed the shot.
Is it the flavor?
I can't sleep in no pants.
We got baby ball.
I know you can.
Look at this nigga. Come out here. It's I'm gonna go home. I don't know. I I'm about to go home and take this wig on. Me and my cousin did it. It's cute. I just don't like the lace. I'm gonna go home and take it off. Like, this wig is cute. I might keep it on till Friday. Yeah, I'm so tired. I'm gonna go home and get in my bed, and they need to come on. My kids gotta go to school in the morning. I'm tired. This hair look cute though. I just left the Mexican with my people, as y'all see. Yeah, I'm on my way home. I'm finna go see my cake that my sister did for me, y'all. I hope she made my banana pudding cake. That's all I want. Ken with me and Jordan with his grandma. My cousin come on. I'm ready to go to the house. But I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get home, because I just don't want to have my camera rolling and taking up all my storage. So I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get home and all that good stuff. Hey y'all, so I got a package today. This is my phone. So I'm not going to open her today because I'm finna decorate my case, and I'm waiting on my screen protector to come in and all of that. So yeah, so stay tuned for my unboxing with my new phone. So yeah, and my trunks came in today. So let's see what's in here so I can decorate my case. There we go, so y'all can see me. So like I said, your girl got her phone, and I'm gonna decorate my case. So I'm gonna go ahead and go get my hand and then the scissors so I can open this baby up.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You're listening. I don't think you listen. For me to come out, it must mean I'm not teacher. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm not okay. For me to come out, means that I'm not teacher. I want to show you my world.
Oh, I got these two demons with me. Oh no, I'm just playing. I got my two babies with me. So I'm gonna go get my nails done, and they going with me to go get my nails done. Come here, baby. So hey. But anywho, come with me. Well, come with us to go get my nails done. Come on.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You're listening. I don't think you listen. For me to come out, it must mean I'm not teacher. It must mean I'm not.
Do you remember me, Jordan? Jordan, do you remember me? I'm sorry, transition over the form. Look like I'm trying to do it. Okay, thank you. Oh my, this one the other day? Oh, they both so cute. But some of them got like these tools on it. We can go to it. Period. Okay, now you gonna have to. I love this little camera. Yes.
Oh, it's 5 o'clock, and I just got done getting my nails done. As y'all see, I did the Grinch. And my camera can focus. See, I did the Grinch. Cause so I'm finna go home. This girl went to sleep through my whole appointment back there. Like, she just not waking it up. And we finna go. Jordan was ready to go too, so we were good. Now I'm finna go home, and I'm finna be door dashing tomorrow. So yeah, to get my money back. Okay, y'all. So we finna unbox my new phone. It came in last week. Y'all know I had to wait on my screen protector because I was not finna drop my new baby. And I did my case the other day. Her period. Y'all finna see right there on the screen. Period. Y'all see? Have my screen protector. Let's see how I want to open up. Oh, okay. So let's open her up. Period. Sorry I sound dead, y'all. My nose stopped up. I'm sorry. I'm gonna give y'all my reaction how I want to be when I open up my phone. I'm under the weather right now, so I'll still give y'all a little video. Y'all guess what color your girl got? My head is just so bad. Move it out the way. So they open on my phone. Look, hold on. They open on my phone, bro. Okay, with the charger like always. So let's open it. I didn't realize the inside of here is gold. I want to know why would they open on my phone. I guess they were trying to make sure it's like the right stuff. Open her. Is it on? So I'm about to put my screen protector on. Okay, y'all, the phone is on. Huh? Still down there with Cat? I do my face ID now, y'all. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? I forgot I got more. Your girl sounded dead, but I probably I'll go ahead and put this case on here, the clear one. Yo, cause this case is too hard for me to be looking at it. I can't my stuff filled. I can't even take it off, like, so I'm gonna put this on later. I just put this on for now. Now look at this. I hate these bubbles. I'm trying to smooth it out. There you go. I got some of it out, but yeah. I wanted this one to get done, and I'm gonna come back and let you guys know when it's done and all of that. So I'm gonna go chill and read my wet pad. I'm gonna go read my wet pad. Yeah, so I'm gonna go do that and chill while they get done. Like I said, sorry I'm dead. I don't know what happened. I woke up this morning, my nose stopped up, my throat itching. So yeah, I just want to give y'all a little video before I still let my little phone to be sitting. So whenever they get done, I'm gonna screenshot my box, get my thumbnail for y'all. So I'm gonna do that, but I don't know why my thing was open. I guess they were trying to make sure it was the right phone or not. Then it was like tape on the side, so I guess they were checking to make sure the extra phone color was in here or what. But I really was sad because I really want to rip it open with you guys, but I had to go like this to open up my phone. They're crazy. But I got my phone. That's all that matters. Good thing nobody take your girl's stuff and all of that. So yeah, I'm happy I got her. So like I said, I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys later. Pop my music. Okay, y'all. Merry Christmas Eve. So y'all finna come along with your girl to wrap up my kids' gifts. So I'm finna sit y'all over there at my light. I had to cut my little light on so y'all can see. Yeah, my little vanity light. Yeah. So I'm finna sit y'all over there so we can get the wrapping. They finna go to the store right now, so I'm on a time crunch. So let's wrap these kids' gifts. So sorry how my glasses is. My cousin did my hair last night. I was finna record, but I was tired. But y'all still gonna get the little video, like a little, I done did like a little clip. I did it for my TikTok, but it's still outside, but I just wanna hurry up. Let me charge this up while I'm talking to y'all. I love this camera. You can put you can put this on the charger while you, before we get started, let me show y'all my phone, because I forgot to show y'all when it got done. So this is her. This is her. She is so cute. I got the orange one, y'all. So yeah. Yeah, she is so cute. It's just like simple. I like the I'm finna screen record because I like the camera on here. Take me to the camera. Okay, I'm finna screen record this so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm finna screen record it. And the only reason I say I like this camera, wait, I gotta do a video. So you can do it like that. What's up? Y'all can do that. When y'all at a concert, y'all ain't got to flip y'all camera, baby. Y'all can do this. Or you can go like that. Hey, at the concert, y'all can do the front and the back. Y'all ain't got to flip y'all camera. I'm gonna post it. But let's get right back to the gifts. And I got the little we started with the gifts. I'm not gonna be long because I think they're gonna leave out. Yeah, say what they give me what I'm looking for. I'm gonna do Ken gifts first because her gifts easy to route. So I'm gonna put Jordan gifts over there. Jordan gifts. I'm gonna show y'all what they got. If not, y'all gonna have to. If not, y'all just gonna have to see when they open up their gifts tomorrow. When I watch a video, they do like something like that. I wish I was on snow. This would help me. One gift done. This is my best. I got it, y'all. I don't like the bed. I could put this in her stocking. These are here. can go in her stocking. And this too. So I'm gonna put this back in the bag. How am I supposed to wrap this? Okay, y'all.
Change his clothes. He waste some water on him. Alright, you can come on.
Okay, y'all. I'll be back. I took my bunny off. I'm not done with my hair. I got to do my edges. So, yeah, I'm not done. My cousin did the wig and stuff. So, I'm gonna see can I go do my edges or not. So, I took this band off. Baby, it would hurt my ear so bad. I can't even function. So, let's get back wrapping. If not, probably keep it like this. I don't know, but I'll probably go tell Mariah to do stuff. I'll probably tell Mariah to do my edges. I got to get some of my hair out. I gotta go back to his mom bar. She killed it. I'm sorry, I think mom was not going back. Come on, man. Make your bed. This how I got it. It's gonna be like this. Okay, y'all. Ooh, your girl is done, so I hope I can. I'm not the best at wrapping gifts, so yeah. Y'all see, I'm done over there. I'm gonna talk to you guys at the Christmas party, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Hey, girlfriend. Ken. Chesley.
Pia, Joe. What's this? Quit the box, quit the.
Look, let her go. Ken.
What you doing? At a party?
Ken. Look, Ken.
I was just seeing what you was doing.
Oh, okay. Now you doing that to my camera. Okay, George.
I have pictures.
Cat to look.
Kaya cat.
What can you see that kind of?
Mess with it.
No, they not. Me and Lucy go to the.
Nitty.
Good.
This shit gonna get up. Really, kid?
My mom makes big cake. Mom makes cake. Mom cake. Mom makes
Backhead, backhead, backhead. Fat, fat.
Hold on. Y'all get ready. When to go? When to stop? Okay, go. Let's go.
Look at Titan. They cheat. Okay, okay. Hey, go Titan.
No, she told me to march and play.
You can do anything. You can do anything. You can do anything. Kylo. 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 Now take our blindfold off. Tell you out. Tell you out. Cut out. Mimi don't want to move. She's scared. Erica, what you doing?
Come on. Keep going. Put your hands beside you. Let's stay there. What is time? Keep walking, baby. Time, what is time?
Okay, stop. Take the blindfold off.
Maybe close to her spot.
You can't stop. Sit down and stand up. You can do whatever.
Y'all see this ice? Bye-bye.
Did I not say I'm done before wait? I said I was done. 30 seconds. Man, I gotta drop my phone.
supposed to be enough onions for everybody else.
AJ and Jay gotta get some.
Wait, it's who left? Who left?
Wait, who took it?
Wait, one.
Who got the money? Hold on, AJ and Jay gotta get some.
They sit down.
Wait, it's
Who it is?
Who left? Girl. Somebody got half.
Oh, James.
Jane not playing. Jane not playing.
Oh, well, hell, it ain't 13 then, because we counted James.
Where's Richard?
Wait, one.
Kate got her some noodles.
Well, I got my back. Who got the money?
Let me go next.
AJ said let him go. AJ said he finna go.
Ready.
Fucking name for playing. My finger hurt. She got her mama stuff. I'm finna go.
I'm next. Bella said she's gonna go. Come on. Samantha said, okay. Come on. Samantha didn't say nothing. One. Okay, hold on.
Hold on.
Let me go first.
Whoever.
I feel like y'all shooting dice.
Wait. She ain't poured it out yet. She ain't poured it out yet.
Give us time.
Y'all should have got some sauce in the sauce.
I don't know what the soup.
Hey, that purple junk look like it smell good.
There's two more left. Who didn't get one?
Me. Hey, what that blue? That don't smell like Febreze. Hey, that blue one smell like Febreze.
Y'all ready?
Hold on. This one.
It smell like Febreze. It look like it smell like Febreze.
Maybe ready to do her so she can go.
Okay.
Scratch out. Who is this?
He got some scratch on. He got some scratch on. I ain't never used one of those. Let me scratch everybody.
BJ.
Hey, them some good sauce. Hey, them some good work sauce.
BJ.
I got 13. Y'all ready?
I'm gonna execute my hand.
Shay. What is that freshener?
Just make sure you get your one back.
Bug out the full one.
Okay, give me mine.
Why y'all dipping in the bag? Hold on. I'm China said she don't. Y'all get big. Hold on. What is y'all doing? This is not me right here. I need one of these. I don't need no charger. I need one of these. Everybody back up.
Somebody's whatever.
Somebody got one. Come on. Wait a minute. That's red. Stop. I didn't get one.
Oh, wait, what happened?
Hold on, I got two.
Hey, what that say? This say coming?
Somebody had thrown two in my bag. Somebody ended up throwing one in my bag. You want this one?
I got blue. I got mountain.
You want this one?
I got mountain. Give me
Hold on.
Who want a trade?
Well, let me get the cheese in.
I got one. I got two. I don't want that.
Wait, what?
That's it. I know somebody tried to do that.
I'm not touching it.
I had grabbed this from Charlotte.
I ain't got this one, Charlie.
How you catch that? You got that out too. She dropped the ball.
Yeah, I did.
We've been shopping.
I got this one.
I'm in the. I said, so now you got to do that. I'll bring you. Oh, that's what that is.
Y'all, they still sleep. Look at this girl. Mouth wide open. Ooh. They still sleep. Oh my god. Hey y'all, good morning. Merry Christmas. I'm waiting on my kids to wake up to open up their gifts because I'm up and I can't go back to sleep. So they need to go ahead and wake up for you, girl. I know they went to sleep till like 11 o'clock. Joe went to sleep around probably like 12 something. So yeah, I'm gonna let them sleep for like a little bit. I'm gonna go in the living room and chill until they wake up. So I just want to come on to tell y'all Merry Christmas. Yeah, we finna be turning up today. I don't know what's on the food agenda today, but I know all thing we eating is some fish because that's what your girl wants. So I guess I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys whenever they wake up and all of that. So yeah.
Christmas time is here.
Open yourself, Kiki. Get something to open. Yeah, open it. Sit in your chair. You can't make that stink face though. Somebody go pull the paper. Yeah.
Rip it.
Wow.
Take the paper off.
Oh,
You got, Ken got her a Barbie doll. What you got, Jadaaaaa? You got a Nerf gun. What that thing is?
Baby.
Get the bag. Why you didn't get the bag?
Baby.
Let's see your baby. Wow. So we can see your baby. Her hair just like yours. So
Go,
good.
Joe. What's that, Jadaaaaa?
Baby. Wow.
Jay.
It's dead.
Yeah, what, Joe?
I paid
Who see Joe? Ooh, a lot of cars. Trucks and cars.
Mom is coming. No.
You reading? Uh-oh, Ken, what you got?
Oh, look at you, girl. What is a little rhyme thing? My baby, my boy is struggling.
Yeah, what you said?
Got you a car? Say car.
You got your own car?
Just open. You just open up them, did it? But take it out. You take it out, Jadaaaaa. Got you another car, boy. Yeah. Babe.
Turn your paper around.
What's up? You got some shoes? You want some shoes? Got you some boots. Look at them.
Hey, boots.
Right.
Good color.
They black.
Oh, baby.
Kid, get another gift, girl. You still talking about your baby? What you got, Joe?
That's the best one, isn't it?
Different.
The fruit one. Good for your head.
Okay. Baby.
That's what Ken had. Let me see.
Girl, that ain't not no baby.
Let me see it, Ken.
Oh, you got you a cup too? You finally got you a cup, girlfriend?
Come here, Ken.
Wow. Oh, really good.
Yeah.
Turn up.
Got some phone.
Well, that mean y'all got two headphones in. When one broke, y'all got another one. You see your book bag, y'all?
Headphones.
Bring it. That's yours. Open it.
Okay.
Joe, you got toys for you got cars for days. You got what, Jadaaaaa? Ma, he said, look at him.
Let me see, Joe. A ball, basketball.
Why you looking like that, kid?
Ken.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, Joe said okay. You already had one of those, though.
Ooh.
Where you get the candy cane from?
Kitty cat. No, she said ball.
She said ball.
Oh, that's right up already.
So,
Right here. So you get fancy. No, you want to hold it? Okay. Well, hold your ball.
I wrapped though. My wrapper a little messed up.
She didn't get up from the school.
What you got your way? Hold it up. What kind of jacket it is? Kid, open your stuff. He ain't took it out. He's still showing it. He's still showing it one jacket.
Trying to get on the ball. I'm gonna get on the bike and hold the ball.
He gotta say it.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
Okay. Let's see too.
And he got like some shirts.
You gone, Ken. You gone.
See, I should know about that biking. I should wait till y'all open up y'all stuff.
Open it. Look at her, Jay. She don't want to open it. She don't want to open it now.
You tired, boss? You tired, boss?
Open it up.
I'm gonna add two.
You got SpongeBob. Ooh, SpongeBob.
I got your ball, girl. It's right here.
What's that,
You
SpongeBob?
got a camera. You got SpongeBob.
TV is a daddy box.
See, though?
Look, yeah.
Paw Patrol.
Ooh, Ken.
That's what she picked out at Walmart. That's what this stuff they picked out at Walmart.
Oh, I'm a patrol.
Paw Patrol. You got Paw Patrol too?
Let me see, though, man.
Paw Patrol. Baby. Boy, you got, oh my God, you got calls for days, y'all. Look at them. Well, you got you a scroll in the bed.
You got a baby? Tell Ken and Shad and Jazz and see your baby.
Not sure. Turn around.
Can we see the baby, Ken? Turn the baby around.
Well, you got your toys?
Yeah.
Your calls? Oh, you got you a bed. Got you a feeding thing. The bed.
Here. Put your stuff out of the bag. Sit down.
No, that's your grandma bed.
Right here. Here's one. Sit down.
You wasting stuff out of it. Oh, you got you some clothes. What's that? Why you throwing it at the bed?
Say clothes.
Hood that baby.
Yeah.
What you do?
Ooh, Ken.
She just threw it out.
Can we see the outfit, Ken?
Why she finna throw it back out? She finna throw it right back out. Kill, we can't see the outfit. She said no. That girl told me no. So you ain't stunned the outfit no more.
Throw it out. Okay. You're pouring it out, Jay. She's trying to pick it up.
Oh, what you got, girl?
Hey, you mine.
You got you some. Ken, put it back in the bag. Just put it back.
Okay, let's see.
Open it.
That's it. That's it. Who put it?
Wow.
Open it. Let me see.
Hey,
No screw.
My outfit.
what's that, Ken?
Ball. Come on, hey, Baba.
We know it's wrong.
Oh,
Ken.
wow.
You got 2 balls? You gonna share with Ken?
Oh, you got another baby?
She got that from school. Oh, look, she said, "Give me that ball."
Shout to Joe Ball.
She said, "Give me that ball." Why that back? She ain't saying that. She tried to take that ball.
The key. Well, let her get the other ball.
You got her that one.
I'm gonna try King.
Oh, you gonna trade with King?
That's it? Jay, you got, what's that box over there? Got one more?
Yeah.
Okay. Let her open up that bag. You can do it. You go. Kid, you got one more bag. Yeah, child, I wrapped it. I probably put a lot of tape on it. Well, you got, nobody don't get Joe no more calls. Good.
Okay. Mom.
He can't get it.
I got it.
Oh, he got it.
Turn around.
Bye,
Y'all like brushing y'all teeth. She said thank you. Get your cup. I said get your cup. I meant to say get your drink. You got it? What else in your bag? Look. I don't know why you and Ken picked that out in Walmart. What, you got you a scooter?
Oh, my sugar.
I think you got a blue scooter. You got like four, you got like three. Hold on. You got a makeup.
What's this, Joe? What's this?
It's a makeup bag.
What is it? Jay. Jojo, what's this again, Jojo? What's this, Joe?
Yeah, he my baby trying to say purse. Don't do him.
I got a post, Jay.
He trying to say purse. I wasn't even recording off the camera the whole time.
You just did your stuff.
Yeah, now I got to redo this. Yeah. Got some body wash, cookie. Sugar cookie. I got a shower with steamer. They smell good. Got a double body wash. Got some cheese. Got some boots. So we both got us some boots. I forgot to record the food. Who played that in? Where? On the floor. And we got the fish in the oven. You ready? Is you ready? How your uncle got your thing? Say what's up? Say what's up? You talking to them? You talking to them?
Hi, sugar.
Look at you.
I can't get a head.
Mel. Millie. Hey, girlfriend.
This the end of my vlog. I love y'all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'll see y'all in the next vlog.